Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos directly to an SD card on the iPhone 17 Pro. So if you want to record videos from your iPhone and for them to be saved directly on an SD card, there are a few things that you're going to need. So the first one is the SD card itself. I have a 128GB card, so it should be pretty good. And then the next thing is the SD card USB-C adapter. So this thing here allows us to connect our SD card to our iPhone by using the USB connection at the bottom. So let's put our SD card into the adapter and then connect the adapter to our USB-C slot, like this. So now we can check check if the SD card has actually connected, and it works by going to the Files app and going to Browse and finding the SD card. So here you can see that it's working, and before you continue, make sure that you've formatted this card. Now, if you want to format a card, we have a video on our channel on how to format an SD card by using an iPhone. So make sure to follow that video and continue with this tutorial. So now that the SD card is set up, is formatted, the next thing is we're going to enable ProRes recording on our iPhone. So to do that, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to scroll down to Camera, select Formats, and here we're going to scroll down and enable Apple ProRes. So here you can also change the ProRes encoding, but you can also change it in the camera app. So now let's go to the camera app, enable the video mode, and select our ProRes mode. So I'm going to do HDR, 4K, 60 FPS. So here, as you can see, the USB card, the SD card is connected, because if we take it out, as you can see, the connection, like little connection icon, has been turned off. But now let's connect our card back, and as you can see, it's now connected again, and it shows us how much footage we can have. So that's the amount. And now if we record some random video, so let me just record like a basic test video to see if it actually works. There we go. Now the video is saving to our SD card. And now we can check if it has actually saved to the SD card. So let's go back to the Files app, open up our SD card. A new folder was created, and another folder. And here inside of the folder, we have the video. So it's 758 megabytes. And here it is. As you can see, it says ProRes in the top left, and you have all of these editing options. And now the video has been saved to the SD card. You can take it out and transfer the footage to another device. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.